What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a landing page on your Shopify store. So here, as you can see, I have my Shopify store opened and I'm signed in, as my store name is shown here on the top right. And for this video, or to create a landing page with great customization options and some templates to choose from, we will need to use an app. So here, let's go to apps here, click on apps, and we want to search for page fly. Hit enter, and it'll be the first result here. This is the page fly app that we want to. So if we click on it, make sure the developer is Pagefly so that you have the official or the right app here. And then we want to install this app and start designing our landing page. So click on install right here. And then in here, click on install app. And then the app will be installed and we can open it and start creating our page. So once it's installed, it'll get you to your main dashboard on the Pagefly app. As you can see here, some warnings, however we do not care for them. Now here is your dashboard. So here we will want to go to pages, and in the pages we, of course, here we do not have any pages created, so because we just installed the app. So here you have two options. You can create from a blank page, so you get like a blank canvas and you can add elements to it from scratch. So I find it to be a bit tedious. The best option is to create from a ready-made template, and you can edit the elements in this template. So let's create a page from template. Now here you have the options for a regular, home page, product page, collection, blog post, and password. So we will choose regular page. And here you have many templates to choose from, depending on your niche and the type of products that you buy, or the type of your nature of your Shopify store. However, we can here filter them by type. We want landing pages, so we want templates for landing pages. So we will choose landing page from there, and you will be shown some templates. So like 128 templates for landing page right here. So if we want to filter it even more, let's say in the industry, you can choose the type of merchandise that your items that you sell on your Shopify store. So I've set up a basic test product as a shirt. So let's choose clothing, and here you have the templates available. So let's say I like this one. You can click here to preview it. It'll open and you can preview how it will look like on a PC or on a mobile phone. And if you are happy with it and you want to customize it, just click on select right here, and it'll open in a new tab where it'll open the editor here in the Pagefly. So here you have the landing page, and you can hover over any element to start editing. So let's say I want to first edit the background here. So I'll click on this section. It'll open the section settings where I can add a new item. I can hide on desktop, hide on laptop, and hide on tablet, on mobile, and I can add animations. However, I want to stylize this, so I click on styling, and here I can have the spacing, the font, and everything. And here the background, I can add leave it as standard or color. I can add a video background. I can paste a video or a YouTube video link right here, or a parallax. So I'll just want to add a background color. Let's select this color here, and as you can see, any change is applied instantly. Now we can add a background image as well. Can add it from a URL or from the page, from the image library or other media files. So let's close this for now. We can add effects like opacity, can make it transparent or not, and enable shadows as well to add shadows. As you can see, that it adds like a small shadow, and you can add code if you want to. And now in the general, here you have rows, you have the max width, you have enable sticky top, yes or no, and so on. So here we have additional settings for each section. We can move it up and down, we can duplicate it, we can delete it, we can copy the style, paste the style, and collapse here. So here we can edit the text here. Let's select it to edit. So let's add, for example, get yours now. Okay. And here we can edit the text in here as well and add the style, so like bold, italic, underline. We can edit the text color. So let's edit the text color. Let's make it like red. Okay, save. And we can clear format. We can add a background color for the text, show the drop cap, visibility, and so on. So in the styling here as well, we can add a font, select a font family, and select the font size, so make it bigger and smaller, align it on the right, on the left, in the middle, and so on. And here we have a timer, a countdown number timer, so we can edit each setting. So here we can only add the styling. We cannot edit, of course, obviously the numbers, because it's a countdown, automatic countdown. And here we can, like in this section, let's say I want to move it, so I want to move it up here. It will be up, and we can duplicate it, we can delete it. So let's say I want to delete it, delete this option as this section as well. Okay. And here in the images, here we have like an image with a product name on it. We can like move it here to expand it or collapse it, and we can click on the image to like here in the columns, I need to edit this image. So we can go to styling, where we can select here replace the image, so we can clear it or select an image, another image. So let's select this image, for example, as a product, and here the product list. Okay, now let's say I want this button, the shop now button. First of all, let's make it the background color a bit darker, so we'll click on styling and the content color, okay, the background color, let's go to background, add a custom color, let's make it like green. Okay, and let's say I want this button to redirect me to the product page. So here in the general, I can here edit the text with icon and the button type, and I can set the action. So let's say I wanted to go to a URL, like a product page URL, open a pop-up, scroll to section in the page here, send email or call a number. So let's make it go to URL, and here select the URL for the product, the basic shirt, so that when you click on shop now, it'll redirect you to the product page. Okay, and now you can edit the different settings, and you can scroll down here and edit each setting, the setting for each element, sorry. And here, once you hover over any section, you can get these, you will get this plus icon to add a template or a save to add a section here. So if we click on add section from a template, here we have many types of sections. So a pixie, like symbol, like they name it. So let's say I like this one, like a collage of many products. I can select it here and it will be added. Now I can edit, of course, each image, and I can edit the text. So let's say 30% off. And also the button, I can program it to redirect me to a URL or a page, or open a pop-up, and so on, as I showed you before. So here, once you are happy with all your edits right here, and you can, of course, control the spacing and the size. Let's say I want to make this one smaller, this one bigger, and here it's looking good for now. Okay, so once you are happy with all the edits that you created, just click on save, and they will be saved. Of course, the page title, let's name it like test landing page. Okay, save it. After saving, you have to publish the page to make it live. Okay, page preview might differ. Okay, let's save it, and now we'll wait for it to save. And once it does, we can just go ahead and preview it. Okay, so here it'll ask you to enable autosave. Okay, let's enable it, and now it is saved. Let's go ahead and preview it. Okay, now it is live. You can preview it, all the settings that we edited. And if we click on shop now, we will be redirected to our product page on our Shopify store, as you see here. So let's go back here to the editing. We can publish it, save and publish, and we can view live page and get more actions here like page template, page settings, and so on. So we can view it also on a tablet or a mobile, how it look like on a tablet or a mobile phone. So that's how easy it is to create and publish a landing page on your Shopify store.